Welcome to aminacademy.com. In science and technology, let us discuss about communication technology. Communication is the exchange of information through different mediums. It is an activity that started even before the civilization of human beings. However, over a period of time, as technology advanced, accordingly, different modes of communication also developed, including telecommunication and wireless communication. Communication technology of information. In today's world, information and communication technology plays an important role in almost every activity that we perform. Types of communication. Based on the advancement and mode of technology, telecommunication is categorized as telecommunication, wireless communication. Let us now discuss each category. The telecommunication is a technique of transmission of information from one location to another by electromagnetic means. Different types of information can be transferred through the telecommunication system, such as voice, text, pictures, etc. Modern telecommunication system. The modern form of telecommunication involves computer technology, and it is capable of transferring wide range of data including audio, video, textual, many other computer files. Major component of modern telecommunications are hardware, for example computer system and modems. Software, this controls the computer programs. Media, this is the communication outlet, wired or wireless. Networking, this technology connects various computer system protocols. These rules govern information and communications transmission system. Next one, wireless communication. Wireless communication is a technique of transmitting the information or power between two or more points which are actually not connected with the physical wire or conductor. The most common wireless technology uses radio waves. Microwave transmission is another technology. Wireless communication. The world's first wireless telephone communication took place in 1880. This was experimented by Alexander Graham Bell and Charles Sumner Painter. Both of them together patented the photophone. Photophone was a sort of telephone which conducted audio conversations wirelessly over modulated length beams, the electromagnetic waves. In 21st century, the invention of cellular phones radially changed the concept of communication system and made available the wireless communication system even in the remote part of the country. What is modulation? Modulation is one of the most significant process through which characteristics of a carrier wave varies in accordance with the information signal. The telecommunications modulation is the process of transmitting a message signal inside another signal so that it can be physically transmitted. Likewise, the modulation of a sine wave form transforms the narrow frequency range baseband message signal into the passband signal to pass through the filter. Now, let us discuss further about communication technology. Communication technology refers to the use of digital technologies to transmit information. Some examples of communication technologies include Internet. What is Internet? The combination of all types of communication technology in one place is called Internet. Social media, a communication tool that uses advanced communication techniques for social interactions. Cloud computing, an emergent technology that offers on-demand access to infrastructure, platform, and applications. Teleconferencing, the use of telecommunication devices to communicate between two or more people, such as conference call or video chat. Networking, the process of connecting devices for communication, which can be wired or wireless. Television, the telecommunication medium that transmits moving images and sound. Human-computer interaction, the communication process that occurs when a user interacts with an interactive computer system. Digital communication. Digital communication, a form of communication that uses digital technologies to transmit information such as emails, instant messages, video calls, and social media platform. Further, we'll discuss about what is communication technology. Communication technology, also known as information technology, refers to all equipment and programs that are used to process and communicate information. Professionals in the communication technology field specializes in the development, installation, and service of this hardware and software system. Individuals who enter this field develop a understanding in the conceptions, production, evaluation, and distribution of communication technologies devices. What is ICT? ICT means information and communication technology or technologies. ICT or information and communication technology is the infrastructure and components that enable modern computing system. Among the goals of ICT tools and system is to improve the way humans create, process and share data and information with each other. Another is to help them improve their abilities in numerous areas, including business, education, medicine, real world problem solving, and even leisure activities related to sports, music, and movies. There is no single universal definition for ICT because the technologies, devices, and even ideas related to ICT are constantly evolving. However, the term is generally accepted to mean all devices, networking components, and applications. When combined, these help people and organizations interact in the digital world. Here, organizations also has a broad definition since it encompasses businesses and non-profit agencies, governments, and even criminal enterprises. Anyone can benefit from the proper application and use a ICT technologies, device, and innovations. What technologies are included in ICT? ICT encompasses the internet enabled sphere and the mobile one powered by wireless network. It includes antiquated technologies such as landline telephones, radio, and television broadcasts, all of which remain widely used alongside today's cutting edge ICT pieces such as artificial intelligence and robotics. The internet, that means Internet of Things, metaverse, virtual reality, and social media are also part of ICT, as are cloud computing services, video conferencing, and collaboration tools in a unified communication system and mobile communications network. Emerging work in progress are still nascent technologies like 5G, 6G, Web3, and quantum computing are also the ICT universe. Any technology, infrastructure, component, and devices that enables the communication, data sharing, and global connectivity between humans and between human and machines is included in the umbrella of ICT. So far, we discussed about information technology in science and technology. We discussed about information technology. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.